Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share important news about immigration this week. Today I'm going to talk to you about this week's important news about a federal judge who just blocked President Trump's controversial executive order, an order that aimed to end birthright citizenship for children born in the US to undocumented immigrants and even certain legal visa holders. The decision just could shape the immigration law for years, and I would like to talk to you about this. And I just want to let our followers know, just recently, Supreme Court actually stopped the federal courts to issue nationwide injunction orders, but left the door open to class actions. So because of this, this week, the U.S. District Judge Joseph LaPlante in New Hampshire issued a preliminary nationwide injunction. That means for now, the executive order that which President Trump wanted to end to birthright citizenship in the U.S. cannot be enforced anywhere in the country in the US. And the order would have revoked, this executive order would have revoked automatic US citizenship for babies born after February 20, 2025 if their parents were either undocumented or in the US on a temporary visas like students or seasonal workers. Judge LaPlante went further. He certified a nationwide class action, meaning all children born after that day who would have been affected or now protected even if their parents never individually joined the lawsuit. This is very important. We can just say that this ruling isn't just a legal technicality, it's actually the direct defense of the 14th Amendment, which guarantees that all persons born in the US and subject to its jurisdiction are U.S. citizens. The judge specifically refers to landmark 1898 Supreme Court case United States versus Von Kim Ark, which ruled that the U.S.-born children of foreign nationals are indeed citizens under the Constitution. LaPlante said the executive order would cause irreparable harm to the affected children was likely unconstitutional. Citizenship isn't just the paperwork, it's a protection, rights, and identity. Removing it from birth fundamentally alters what it means to be American. Just to give a little more back information about this, if you go back into June 2025, the Supreme Court limited to ability of district courts to issue nationwide injunctions in a case which was called Trump versus Casa, but there was a loophole, which was about the class action injunctions are still allowed. So because of this, the judge LaPlante sidestepped the new restriction by certifying the class of impacted newborns, effectively achieving a nationwide block without violating the new precedent, which came from the Supreme Court. At the same time, the legal experts are calling this a savvy workaround that other judges may use when challenging the future federal executive order. Now, if you're going to talk about what comes next after this, the Department of Justice has 7 days to appeal this decision. It's almost certain this case will move up to the court ladder and potentially all the way to the Supreme Court. If that happens, the legal status of birthright citizenship could be under microscope in front of 63 conservative majority bench. And this case isn't alone. States like Washington, Maryland, and California are also filing similar lawsuits aiming to block that executive order in their jurisdictions. Immigration rights groups also, we see that they're mobilizing to protect this birthright citizenship. What I can tell to our followers and clients are this is very important development, and as we know that our followers and also immigrants across the US are really worried about it, or they're really looking to see what's really going to happen with this birthright citizenship court cases, and any new development, of course, we'll be sharing with our clients. And I hope this news help our followers. Have a great day and talk to you soon. This is attorney Ogmen.